Morning, how you guys doing? So I did a steel braided brake line on my bike, the 01 zx12. You can see the steel braided brake lines. I did it on both sides. If you guys could see in there for steel braided brake line. So the configuration I did was I did the racing configuration where there's two. I put the two cables, one going to the front left and one going to the front right for the front. So they said that one is the best configuration as it gives more I guess it makes the brakes grab harder on both sides. So the problem I ran into was basically I bled it like for 2 days straight. I mean, I pumped this thing, I would say at least 400 times, and the brake lever is not getting harder. I searched online and I found a few things I could do. One thing said take the calipers off, keep everything connected, and raise it above this level. So I guess raise it above here, and that will get the bubbles out because the calipers are sitting at a higher level than the master cylinder. But I didn't want to do all of that, so I found a couple more things you could do. The first thing I did was they said get some zip ties and tie the levers like for a few hours or overnight. And I did that and I tried to bleed it. It still didn't work. But I think it did something because when I'll show you guys, when I press the levers just like a little bit, you'll see bubbles coming out. See the bubbles? I'll turn it a little bit so you guys can see the bubbles. See the bubbles? And I'm just pumping it a little bit, just a little bit. I tried this yesterday, just pumping a little bit, but there was no bubbles coming out. So I think it was stuck in there somewhere. But holding the levers together with some zip ties, I think it pushed the bubbles up to the top now where they're coming out. So now I know it's bleeding at least, because before it wasn't no bubbles coming up top. I didn't see anything happening down low. So hope that helps some people. I haven't finished bleeding it yet, but once I finish, I'll get back to you guys and let you know if I heard anything else. I learned anything else. Thanks. Okay, so I'm back. So that definitely resolved it. And I'm gonna go back over the whole procedure again. Just tie the zip line overnight or for a few hours, and then come back and press the levers very slow and not all the way in, maybe 20% of the way in, and then you should start seeing some bubbles coming out. Now you're gonna do this for a while, and I did it for like 15-20 minutes, but when the bubbles stop coming out, then pressing it all the way, pressing the lever all the way, then go back to doing it soft. And this definitely works. And when you're doing this, both sides of the brake caliper should be shut. That means no liquid shouldn't be coming out down the bottom. So when you're doing this, just this by itself, you'll feel it get harder, but it's not completely hard, and all the bubbles stop. So then after that, then you will go back to the regular brake bleeding procedure, which is start at the caliper furthest from this, the refill, and bleed it, pump it a couple times, hold it, and then release the valve like quarter, and then let it out, and that would solve this problem. All right, thanks for watching.